Alright guys, H. DeMarzo here. We're on the Tech Cruiser channel. We're not in the Cruiser today. I'm doing kind of a software review. Software review is of a piece of software called Fluid Tunes. Fluid, you see it up there in the window in front of you. And what Fluid Tunes does is it allows you to control. It's being a little wonky because I'm outside right now. It allows you to control your iTunes library with a simple swipe of your hand. I've been using it for a couple of days, testing it out, checking it out. It still has some development to go ahead and get underway. It's still a little bit wonky. It's kind of sensitive. It's not sensitive at other times. As you can see, I'm not really touching it right now, and it's still doing what it kind of wants to do. You can get it. I'll put the link up in a second here, and you can take a look. I went to Google. You type in Fluid Tunes, and this is the link right here that I used to get it. Go through. You click the link, and it'll direct you to where you can get your free download of that software. Once you start up Fluid Tunes, it automatically opens up your iTunes, so you can go ahead and minimize that if you would like. But the interface, it's kind of a translucent background, as you can see me in the background here. Hello. And I'm going to apologize now. There's sirens in the background. Like I said, I'm outside in the backyard. It allows you to control your iTunes library with kind of just a swipe of your hand. There's nothing yet for holding it here and controlling your library. You kind of actually have to touch the button, so to speak. But it's okay so far. I have a lot of unnamed tracks. It's okay. But you can go through, you can kind of select it, swipe left or right. Turn it up so you can hear it. Kind of a nifty piece of software.
I'm just a normal boy that sank when I fell overboard. My ship would leave.
It's just kind of a cool toy. There's no, as far as
Well now, we call this the act of mating.
we don't need to do that.
There are several other very important differences between human beings and animals.
So it's kind of cool. That's really the only use that I would use like motion gestures for is for iTunes. So you go ahead, you put it into the search bar, and it comes up with the link. You click free download. I think you have to click it a couple of times to actually get to the download. Go ahead and drag it onto your desktop if you don't want to put it in your programs or your applications folder, and you'll be able to use it and run it right away. It is a little bit sensitive, so you have to kind of monitor the room that you're in, the space that you're in, as far as the light and people moving behind you, because somebody moves behind you, it's going to play a song that you didn't want. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it maybe a 4.5, maybe a 5, but it still has quite a ways to go as far as being a solid piece of software. So that's really all I kind of got for you. I wanted to get that out there for you guys. It's kind of cool. It's kind of nifty. If you have the right setup or if you have the right use for it, it's a definite winner. But like I said, it still has a little bit to go. So until next time, guys, keep it real.